Anlo 2024 mini Hogbetsotso Anlo. Togbi Srin III, the Awamafia of Anlo Dukor, Togbi Agbesi Awusu II, the Abadada of Anlo Dukor, Honorable Dan Abodakbi, Awomezito, Togbi Amezegu II, Dufia of Alakple, Ame Hlontato of Anlo, and Fiaga of Kome Shime, Anlo Fiagao, Togbiwo, Mamao, and the 36 states of Anlo Dukor cordially invite all citizens and well-wishers of Anlo to this year's mini Hogbetsotso Festival. This mini Hogbetsotso Festival takes place in Alakple on Saturday the 26th of October 2024 at 10 a.m. prompt. The theme for the festival is Strengthening Bonds and Embracing our Shared Heritage. Special guest of honor, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, former President of the Republic of Ghana. As a curtain raiser for the celebration, there will be a football match between basic schools in Kome on one hand and their counterparts from Shime on the other hand. This will take place on the morning of Friday the 25th of October 2024 in Alakple. It's going to be phenomenally spectacular in Alakple, the historic Homer settlement, on that Saturday, as the rich Anglo tradition and culture will be at its very best. You don't want to miss this for anything in the world. Anglo Godolifi, Edunoma Masamenya, Anglo Kochi Klolu, Nakechi Dekano Jomabinu, Anglo 2024 mini Hogbetsotso Anlo Alakple, as I say.